Hey, sixth grade, it's Mrs. Rice. I'm standing behind you, walking around, but I'm in your headphones. How exciting. Turn around and wave at me. You're so lucky. She's such a great teacher. Give her the thumbs up for being so fantastic. Today in library, I'm going to teach you how to make a meme. Now, some of you asked me last week what a meme was. So I'm going to show you one really fast. Of course, it's library themed. It says, "You lost your book. You have failed me for the last time." A meme is taking an iconic image or just any type of image and adding something funny to it. Now, for the purpose of this class, we're going to use Google Drawings because you have another teacher who's asked me to show you how to use Google Drawings. So for those of you that know how to make memes with another program, there's lots of cool ones out there, but I want to work with you on using Google Drawings. All right, so first of all, I want you to go to your Drive. Then when you're in your Drive, you're going to click on New. And after that, you'll go down to More to Google Drawings. Pretty straightforward. I'm sure I'm going a little bit slow, but I want to make sure that everyone understands what we're doing. Now, Google Drawings allows you to choose several pictures. The reason I like Google Drawings is because the pictures that you can search they don't have copyright on them. They're pretty safe for school. Most of them are fairly appropriate. So you have two options here. You can search or you can take a snapshot of yourself. Okay, so I'm going to search something that I'm interested in. Now remember, be creative, be funny, be witty, whatever you think. Of course, I'm a librarian, so I'm going to choose books and pick a picture that I really like. We'll say, I think I'll go with this one right here. I select that picture and it goes up into my meme. One of the most important things after your meme is placed on your drawing canvas is to take your mouse, click on your picture, and move it up to the top left corner. The reason is, with the meme, we want it to take up the entire space. Okay, so we moved it to the top left. And now we're going to go down and click, and you'll see this little this triangle right here. So we're going to click on the triangle and move our border up to the edge of our image. And that is just going to crop it so that it fills up the entire space. Okay, I also want you to title your image. I'd like you to start with your last name and then put a colon and then just put library meme as your title so that I know who your picture is, whose meme it is. All right, of course, no meme would be complete without words on it. And so I'm going to go not choose text box, but I'm going to go up and choose under Insert, we're going to choose Word Art. Okay, Word Art, I'm going to say I love books. We got to capitalize it. I love books because I really do. All right, give Mrs. Rice the thumbs up that you are following right along with me. This font doesn't show up very well, so I'm going to change it to one of my favorite, which is called Impact. And you could make this as big as you would like. Now I'm going to scoot it up to the top. You just drag it, click it, scoot it up to the top. And there's part of my meme, but I don't think anybody is really excited about my meme. So I'm going to add some more words down here. I'm going to click on that, highlight it again. Anytime in Google Drawings that you click on something and you're highlighting it, that means that you can edit it. So here I could change the picture. Here I can change the words. And I'm going to what we call right click. I'm going to go to copy and then I'm going to paste another line. And the reason I'm doing this is just because our font will stay the same and the color will stay the same. but you don't necessarily have to do that if you're already familiar with it. Now, I'm going to say, too bad. Let's see, too bad, Mr. Rice. He'll be so sad that I love books so much. Too bad, Mr. Rice. And there, it's scooted over a little bit. I'm just going to center it on my picture. So Mr. Rice is so sad that I love books. Too bad, Mr. Rice. All right? I also want you to play around with different tools that are on here. You could add a shape for this one because there's so much love in the air. I'm going to add a heart here. Anytime you see the cross right there, you can put your image or you can put your shape. You can start it wherever you'd like. And I'm going to put it in the middle here. So I'm going to highlight it here, drag it to the size that I want. Once it looks like this, I can slide it around. That red line shows us the center of my picture. I don't necessarily love that color, so I'll go up here to the paint can. I can change it to, of course, a red color, and then you click off of it. And that says, I love books, too bad, Mr. Rice. I hope you're all very, very interested in my meme. Now I'm looking for funny memes, creative memes, serious memes. I do not want inappropriate memes, and I'll come around and help you and watch as you do so. Now, the fun part of this activity is not just creating the meme, but we're going to share them as a class. And so we'll get to see everyone else's meme. So in order to do that, we're going to go back to Google Classroom. I don't have that tab open, so I hope you guys can find that at the top. It'll say Google Classroom. And I want you to click on the link Meme Slideshow. And this is what it looks like here. I've started a slide that says Meme Slideshow, LC 6th grade. Now, you're going to click on one, start a new slide. And the way that you do that is you're going to go up to slide and you'll add a new slide. Okay? And once that slide is added, you can go back to your meme. I want you to go to File and Publish to the web. We're not going to publish this to the web, but I am going to get the link that would allow you to publish it to the web. So Publish to the web, then we're going to do Embed Code. We're going to click on Embed and then click Publish. Again, it will say, are you sure you want to publish the selection? I'm going to push OK. We are not publishing this to the web, so make sure that you're aware of that. So we're going to copy this link, this embed code, go back to our meme slideshow, and we're going to add an image. The way that we're adding this image is by URL. That is the address where that image is found. I'm going to click on by URL and then paste that code that we just did. It says that our URL is not valid. That's because our URL has to start with the H. So I'm going to click up there and delete where it says image there. And then we just wait for a minute while it's loading. There's my meme. Is everyone just dying? It's so great. So I'm going to hit select, and my meme will show up in our slideshow. You can make it fit your space, you can center it, however you want to make it look. You're finished and you've completed this assignment. Now go ahead and make some more memes if you would like. But only one is added to our Google slideshow. Okay? So after this, I want you can look at other people's if you'd like to, but do not edit anyone's image. That is against the rules. And hopefully, we'll be able to show some of these memes because I'm certain that lots of you will come up with some pretty creative things. Be funny, be serious. We can go ahead and share them next week. All right, I'm looking forward to seeing some of these fantastic memes Now I'll turn the time over to Classroom Mrs. Rice, and she can give you some additional guidance. Or I think you could probably just start. Talk to you later. Bye.